Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Serum. First, ensure your face is completely clean. Next, apply 2 to 3 drops of the serum onto skin that is still slightly damp. This helps the hyaluronic acid draw in and retain moisture more effectively. Gently pat the serum all over your face and neck, allowing it to absorb fully before moving to the next step in your skincare routine. For best results, incorporate the serum into your routine both morning and evening. Always apply it after cleansing and toning, but before any thicker creams or moisturizers. This layering ensures the serum can penetrate effectively. Remember, consistent daily use is crucial to experience the full hydrating and plumping benefits of hyaluronic acid, helping your skin feel soft and supple. This powerful serum deeply hydrates your skin, giving it a plumper, more youthful appearance. Regular use can significantly help diminish the look of fine lines and wrinkles, improving overall skin texture. An essential tip is to always follow up with a good moisturizer. This step creates a barrier, sealing in the hyaluronic acid and maximizing its hydrating effects throughout the day or night. To ensure your serum remains effective, store the bottle in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight. This helps preserve the integrity of the active ingredients. For an extra boost, consider applying a facial mist before and after the serum. And speaking of great products, if you're looking for more ways to enhance your self-care routine, be sure to check the description below for links to this serum and other fantastic deals. You might find something perfect for you.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.